Have you ever found it challenging to compare a resume to a job you're trying to fill? It can take a lot of time to go through every detail, and it's easy to miss key qualifications or skill gaps. This is where AI steps in to help. With a well-structured prompt, you can quickly get a clear, organized analysis of how well a candidate matches the role and even discover what questions to ask during the interview. Let's break it down. Recruiters and hiring managers often have to manually compare resumes to job descriptions. This process can lead to a few pain points, like missing important qualifications, overlooking skill gaps, and spending too much time sorting through resumes. Manual comparison can be time-consuming and isn't always effective, but AI can change that. Enter AI. By using a structured prompt, you can compare a candidate's resume to a job description side by side. The process becomes faster, more accurate, and way more effective. Here's the prompt you can use for a quick and detailed comparison. How does the candidate's resume compare to the job requirements for the IT director position? Both documents are attached. Please provide feedback in the following format. First, a summary, overview of how well the candidate meets the job requirements. Second, a skill match, specific examples from the resume that align with required skills. Third, any deficiencies, areas where the candidate falls short. And fourth, recommendations of steps the candidate could take to improve alignment. Next, create a list of questions to ask the candidate in an interview. This prompt is designed to guide the AI, ensuring you get a detailed, actionable response without missing the important stuff. Using this prompt is easy. Here's how you can do it step by step. Copy the structured prompt and paste it into your Copilot or your preferred AI tool. Attach the candidate's resume and then attach the position's job description. Hit enter and let AI generate a structured response. Just like that, in seconds, you'll have a clear breakdown of how well the candidate meets qualifications, specific strengths, areas they could improve, and even a list of personalized interview questions. Using AI in hiring doesn't replace decision-making, it makes it better. A structured prompt like this streamlines the process, giving you the insights you need to make faster, more confident hiring decisions. Give it a try and see how AI can transform your hiring process for the better. If you need additional help or have questions about how to get started with AI, you can ask our specialist questions through our AI consulting form at raymond.com or by scanning the QR code.